Matt's ready to go.
Whoop whoop, Juggalo fishing fam. Today, we're going on a stealth mission. It's early as hell in the morning, and we're gonna go try to get on some fish before I go to work. It is super early. It's like 5:45, 6 o'clock, somewhere around there. We're gonna go try to get some fish. I'm gonna take my micro pole. Gonna take it, gonna try to catch something at the creek, get a little bit of fishing in before Matt shows up to take me to work. Anyway, let's get on to it. We'll catch you guys at the creek. Guys, came down here in the morning before work. We're gonna see what all is in here. We're gonna take this crappie tube off, and we're gonna use these worms, green worms. All right. Let's see if that's too deep. Probably, but there we go. We got something, and let's see what it is. Looks like a little bass from here. It's hard to tell. Yep, little bass. Bad for a tiny little creek. Looks like something messed with your fin. Not bad. still bass in here. They're always stacked up way back there in the back. Let's get on a fresh piece of worm. There we go. That ought to catch something chunky. Good. What's this? It ain't no bass. Bluegill maybe? Yep, a bluegill. A decent one for the creek. Got him right through his snout. Come on. Gonna need a fresh worm on there. Pretty bluegill. So far, we got a bass and a bluegill. Let's try to get one back there. Over the damn tree. Dang. Damn. Way too far back there. We got something over in those weeds. Looks like a sunfish. Yep. Easy there now. Pretty colors on this guy. Really pretty colors. Alright, buddy. What is that? Another bluegill. I'm about to say he was fighting kind of erratic. I finally got one of the chunky ones again. There we go. Another bluegill. Not bad. Something took it. Something tiny. Let's see. Little bluegill. Barely got him in his snout. And he left me my worm, which is always good. Whoa. Good enough. Seems like there's plenty of bluegill in here today. Surprised there's not more bass. Easy. Little bluegill. Alright. Whoa, that's in the tree. I probably ain't getting this back. Yeah, probably not. Last catch for the morning. We gotta get home before Matt shows up. Take me to work. Alright, little guy. Final fish for the day. Tiny little dude. Whew. Splash. Alright. We gotta get the hell out of here. It's a successful mission this morning. Whenever the bite gets tough, nothing will raise my spirits quite like going fishing for some panfish. Now let's get home before Matt has a cow. Whew. Anyway, that was a successful little trip. It's a little early. I made it just in time. Matt's about to pull up. Cartoons are already on. Girls are up. Anyway, it's time for me to throw on this orange work shirt and go cut some grass. We'll catch you guys later after work. By the way, guys, today's real talk topic is the courtesy wave. You guys know what I'm talking about. You're at an intersection, somebody pulls up right before you, you let them go anyway. They're supposed to give you the courtesy wave. You wave back. Or if you see someone out on the road, you let them go, you give them a wave, and you expect one back and they don't. What's that all about? If someone gives you a courtesy wave, you wave back. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what kind of mood you're in. That guy gave you a couple of seconds out of his day to greet you and be like, hey, how's it going? And you did nothing. You guys should be served nut soup. Bloop. Matt's ready to go. Yeah. So we going up or we going down? There's something. Looks like a sunfish. Damn. Look at the colors on this thing. Chill out. These things are chunky over here, man. Yeah, pretty sunfish. That's for taking forever to bite.